Today we're at Trudy Nursery and we couldn't think of a better way to test our product than to hand it over to the official Trudy testers.
We are the Trudy testers.
The Trudy Nursery furniture range supports children in their imaginative play. They're free to turn the furniture into anything that they would like.
It's my turn to do the washing up. I can crawl through here.
What we've tried to do with the range is design a contemporary range of furniture that's both durable and hard wearing.
We like making cupcakes. It's just like a real kitchen.
One of the key features is the nut and bolt set, and what this does is allows the range to be really flexible and reconfigurable. It allows the teachers to change the configuration of the furniture really simply.
It goes together like this.
The furniture fills us with confidence having the antibacterial lacquer on the tables. When children are exploring putting things in their mouths, they're not going to be picking up germs.
And drawing on my laptop.
We designed out any trap points. There's safety stops on all the units with doors. The cupboard units have a mag lock that can only be opened by an adult, and we also radiused and rounded any corner that we could.
Because it's so durable, we know that investing in this furniture means that we will have it for a very long time.